So let's just... Okay, guys. All I had to do was crack the box a little bit. Hey citizens, so welcome back to Life with Sid. Today we are doing a very special unboxing. This unboxing is like a official unboxing because I don't know what this gift is. It's a gift from my husband for hitting my 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys so much again. I just want to thank you. So he ordered me this gift, and last week on my vlog, if you didn't watch it, I'll link it up here. You guys seen when the package arrived, and he told me to wait to open it. So I've been holding on to this package until I had time to film this video with you guys so we can unbox it together, because I still don't know what's in this box. By the time this video is out, of course, you know, the title will be up and you guys will know what it is, but we're gonna unbox it together. Right now I'm just itching to know what's in this box. And yes, I will be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away my Citizen crew neck sweatshirt. So the shirt is going to be white and it's going to have black writing. I will link a picture right here. So I'm going to give away 5 shirts. Yeah, I think we did 5. Yeah, we'll have 5 shirts. Say, super cute, right? We'll have 5 shirts, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna use one of those random comment pickers. So make sure that you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. So you definitely have to be subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment below, guys, and I will have the random comment picker pick the winner probably next week. I'm actually recording this, what's today, Tuesday. I'm going to try to have this uploaded Wednesday. So then the following Wednesday, I will announce the winner. So don't forget, leave a comment. The more comments you leave, the better chance you have. The more chances you get, I think that's how it works. The more chances you will have to win. So yes, guys. Thank you again. Thank you. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. All right, citizens, let's get into this official unboxing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. So, all right, enough rambling said. Let's just open this package. All right, so here it is. I wasn't nosy. I didn't shake it. I just tried to guess what's in here. I don't even know how I'm going to title this video. So I believe it's a pair of shoes because the box, you know, I'm a shoe girl, sneaker girl. I don't know, but I could be wrong. It could be a bag in here. I don't know. So let's just get it open and see what it is. I think I have a pair of scissors here. So let's just get it open, guys. All I know is he told me that I'm going to be so happy. He won't give me no hints. I asked the kids. They said they have no idea what it is. So let's just... Okay, guys. All I had to do was crack the box a little bit to see what's in this box. And it is... I'm going to just take it out. Yes, it is a pair of sneakers. If you know, you know when you see this box. And the only reason why I know what's in this box is because baby has the same pair. And no, only this Jordan come with this box. See these little holes here? And the little holes here. A size 6.5. Babe, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, babe. Y'all know on Christmas I was saying I was feeling some type of way because I didn't have a pair. So my first pair of off-white, I'm not even going to look. I see he got them on StockX. The receipts in here, I don't even want to look because if you know, you know. These are not easy to come by and they're not cheap. So me, myself, I wouldn't have bought these myself. But I appreciate the gift, babe. I really love them. I didn't even get to open them. I seen yours. I touched yours. And now I have my own. Like, I'm ready to cry, y'all. The paper, the plastic, it's not regular paper. It's like this plastic material. Oh, my God. Babe! This plastic material, guys. With the Jordan logo off-white all over it. I need gloves. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at these. Like I said, if you're a sneakerhead, I know I have a lot of luxury lovers on my page. These are luxury Jordans. Very luxury. Alright, so let's get into the detail on these sneakers, y'all. Look, so if you know Off-White, you know it comes with a little zip tie. Yes, I'm loving it. The old school Jordan tag. I don't think I will wear this tag, but I'm definitely going to keep the zip tie on here. These are so fire. Cream all over. Oh, not cream, excuse me. Let me get it right. Let me get it right because I know the sneakerheads will come for you. This is Sail colorway. Sail, yes. The Sail colorway all throughout the whole shoe. A little bit of white here by the air bubble. The Sail colorway at the bottom and a little bit of white on the bottom. Oh my goodness. And then on the back where it say Air Nike, like the old school ones. Can you see that? It's clear. I love them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me take a quick little thumbnail. Yes. Y'all don't. Oh my goodness. Listen. These are so fire. So, babe, you got these on StockX. I was scared to order them. So, okay, so you got the Sail colorway that they're already laced up with. And then it comes with like a cream off-white or like a white color pair of laces. Then it comes with the black laces. And then like a mint green color. Oh, I seen a sweatsuit mint green. Yes. Yes, I just seen a hoodie and sweatpants on H&M mint green. The color of these laces. How pretty is this mint green? And I will get that mint green and I will rock the mint green laces with a... Listen. Oh my goodness. I haven't been so excited over a pair of sneakers in so long. Yes, I have a lot of sneakers and I love sneakers. Y'all just don't know. These, if you know, you know. Listen, every sneakerhead, and these are women's. These came in women's sizes. They were made for women. Because this is a 6.5. Yes, I'm a 6.5 in women's. And like when I get my Jordans, they come out like, you know, the Jordan 1s and all the other ones. I get like a 4.5. Look at these, y'all. Ooh, I don't even want to put them on. And babe is not even here. I was supposed to wait for him to get here, but I couldn't wait no longer. I wanted to open. I waited a whole week. These are so I'm so thankful and grateful for Babe. Oh, thank you, Babe. Look how cute they are. Look, they go with my complexion, right? All right. So that is it for my unboxing video, guys. And thank you guys again so much for helping me hit my goal. I hit my goal probably like December 28th or 29th, like something like that. But I'm super excited. I'm super excited for you guys for the sweatshirt. Don't forget, smash that like button. Subscribe to your girl's channel if you love content like this. Unboxing videos, fashion and luxury hauls. Don't forget, become official citizen. I know you want to be down. I know you want to be down. Until next time, sis signing off. Peace.